Our county just got under a severe thunderstorm warning. And it is currently getting close to 1 a.m. Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning for my county. The storm, according to my radio, has 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. And I believe this is a supercell. And it is actually warm this time, so this is likely a surface-based supercell. Yeah, this is a surface supercell. Likely. A lot of lightning. And the winds are picking up too. Yeah, it is. Almost getting close to 1 a.m. It is very humid outside. Current temperatures are in the upper 60s, low 70s outside. And it did reach the low to mid 80s today here. It's supposed to cool down again tomorrow. By Wednesday, it's only going to be in the upper 40s. Beginning to rain, so yeah. This actually is raining right now. Ooh, that was a close lightning strike there. Wind is beginning to pick up here. I'm actually gonna... Ooh, Ew. I accidentally bumped into the door. I'm gonna actually turn on the outdoor light. There. Yeah, it is still pretty windy. I can feel the humidity. Ooh. Another close strike there. Kinda. That one stayed up in the sky. Yeah, most of these lightning strikes are staying up in the sky, which is good. Ooh, all of a sudden, the rain picking up. And it just stopped. All of a sudden, too. Ooh! I saw that lightning strike right there. That one looked like a cloud of ground. A lot of lightning with this storm. Yeah, this has far more lightning than the storm we had earlier in March. The storm we had earlier in March was an elevated supercell. And this one's a surface-based one. And temperatures are a lot warmer in this storm. It's in the upper 60s, so that's probably why there's a lot of lightning. Yeah, there's far more lightning than that last storm. Still remain under a severe thunderstorm warning. Still a bunch of lightning. Where's the storms actually? Ooh! That was just a close lightning strike over there. It definitely looked cloud to the ground. Don't know if the storm is moving away or if it's still, the core is still back there. Ooh! That was like a sideways lightning strike there. This epic lightning footage here. This will really make for a video. Yeah, that was a sideways. It looked like a sideways lightning strike there. This is epic footage. Can't wait to upload this. Ooh, there's another cloud to ground there. Temperature still feels warm. Still feels like it's the same temperature. I can hear that shaking, vibrating my house. Ew. There. Close lightning strike there. Rain's getting heavy. Yet again. Ooh! Another close strike over there. Yeah, this is definitely epic footage. My lightning detector's going off like crazy. You know, it's 1:15. Wow, lightning. Yeah, it says almost 100 strikes now. Another close lightning. Yeah, there's a lot of frequent close lightning. It's because it's in the 60s with high humidity. That's what makes these storms produce a lot of lightning. Pretty sure. Ooh! Holy crap. That was really close there. Can't believe I got that on video. Yeah, it was epic. Yeah, I might go inside. Yeah, I'm probably fine, but I don't know. This lightning's kind of making me nervous. Yeah, there's a lot of lightning. Ooh, another one there. Yeah, I think I'm probably just gonna be by the front door. Let's be here for, you know. Ooh, another close lightning here. I think it might actually be hailing, possibly. Or maybe not. It's hard to tell. I swear it's so humid I'm beginning to sweat. Yeah, I'm not even sure if the storm is still severe warning because I haven't heard my radio go off in a while. Still producing heavy rain. We might actually get a flash flood warning if the heavy rain keeps going. We're actually supposed to get up to 1 to 2 inches of rain on Wednesday night, which is right when it cools down. And it's gonna warm up right back up again on Thursday. It's gonna be in the upper 30s, low 40s Wednesday night during that rain. Probably gonna get flooding or flash flooding.